It was just like, you know, talking to a great friend, sharing a few things and being open to receiving. It was very kismet, like finishing each other's thoughts. That was very cool to add to the experience. I got the phrase que sera, sera. It translates to whatever will be, will be. A personal reminder to myself to let fate take the reins, and everything that's gonna happen is gonna happen the way it's supposed to, and have trust and faith in that. And it's a little nod to my mom. She was an old soul, like I think I am. I made the right decision in waiting for Sarah. And I think we just had like really good energy together. We just kind of flowed off of each other. We might each have a little bit of great intuition. We just fed off that, which made it even better, and it's so perfect. I felt at ease, which is very difficult for me at first, but as soon as I walked in, I felt so comfortable. It was just great to be able to tell my story and design something together that was everything that I wanted. I'm so grateful to Sarah. This was the most amazing experience. I'm so grateful. I love it. Absolutely love it.